What is up, guys? My name is Ebenezer Frimpong, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your favorite entrepreneur here on YouTube. Normally, I'm back there, but today I'm up front, close and personal. In the last couple of months, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but every time I open up Instagram, Pokemon cards, like story after story, Pokemon cards, something about Pokemon cards, someone's flipping a Pokemon card. I have no clue what's going on. Now, I know nothing about Pokemon cards. I only know one Pokemon's name, and that is Pikachu. Why?
Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu.
Growing up, I grew up in an African household. My parents thought Harry Potter, Pokemon, there's another trading card thing, forgot what it's called, but my parents thought all of that was witchcraft. So they were banned in my household. So I was never into the whole Pokemon craze as a kid, right? So I didn't collect them. I don't have any. None of my siblings have any. But I'm an entrepreneur and I'm motivated by money. And as an entrepreneur, I went out and I ordered this box maybe a month ago. It was the very, very last box. It was on back order. Right after I placed this order, it said out of stock. Now, inside this box is I don't even know what it's called. Let me check. It is the Pokemon trading card game Champions Path Elite Trainer Box. And I bought 2 of them. I spent $10,000. So that's like $100. Inside of this box, there are cards that can be worth anywhere from 0, so I could lose my $100 investment, which, okay, well, or I can find cards that are worth anywhere from $90 up to $1,500 to even $3,000. Some people have gotten really crazy cards in here. So I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. Then we're gonna check the value of these cards as well and see if I hit the jackpot or I just kissed my $100 goodbye. So let's get right into it. Got my handy dandy box cutter. I haven't done anything to this box. The only thing I did was I ripped off my shipping address, and like the shipping label, because quite frankly, some of you guys are weird. So let's go ahead and unbox. I'm nervous. Okay, go ahead. Ready? All right. Now we're just gonna use the back part. So we're gonna go in. Apparently I'm supposed to wear gloves while I'm doing this. I did not get the memo till like 35 minutes ago before I started recording. So, oops. This. I'm nervous as hell. Okay. Boom. Boom. So we have these in here. We don't need my receipt and return label. So these are what these cards look like. The Elite Champions Path Trainer Box. I bought 2 of them. Each one was $50 a piece. And throw that over there. Let's start with the first box here. Let's put this over here. So I gotta be careful because again, I was supposed to wear gloves, had no clue. Okay, so I also found out that if I don't open, I paid $50 for this. If I don't open this box, apparently I could just list it on eBay and actually sell it for roughly $200 to $300. It's just the box alone, right? Because they're sold out. I spent $50 on it. So if I don't open this box, that's a guaranteed like $200, $300. I made a profit. But I'm gonna open the boxes because like, yeah, I'm gonna take that gamble. So here you go. Boom. All right, I have no clue what I'm doing. Looks like these are instructions. I don't care about that. What we care for is the cards. Let's do this. So 1. Boom. And then boom. I don't know what this is, but that doesn't look like cards. So let's move this out the way. One of the cards that we're looking for is called a Charizard. A Charizard card is what we're looking for. So let's see. This is a Charizard. This is exactly one of the cards we're looking for here. All right, so it's this is a holographic card. So the holographic cards are apparently worth a lot more money. So this could be the 1,500 big boy. Yo, you're on YouTube right now. Say hi.
Oh, what's up, guys?
So I actually just opened the box, one of the boxes, the very first one that I opened. It's in its wrapper. It's a Charizard and it's holographic.
Okay, yeah, that's the one that comes in the box, right? It's not part of a pack?
No, it's not in the pack.
So that one, everybody gets, from my understanding, or they get one variation of it. You most likely just got the basic one.
Okay.
So people are selling that exact one graded on eBay for like $100 already. So
Bingo!
That's already money just for having that box. But, I think it's more of a long-term play, though. Like,
okay.
What a lot of people are saying is just like get it graded and hold on to it for a couple years, and it could be worth up to like $1,000 down the line.
Okay, so apparently this card is already worth $100 if I was to sell it today. So I already essentially made my money back if I was to sell this card today. But I'm going to take Victor's advice and actually hold on to this card. I'm not even going to open it. So this. Okay. So we have. I'm looking for a Charizard. That's the very first thing I want to look for. So we have an Arbok, B-Grill, Machoke, some energy card, Altaria, Pokeball. I am mishandling these cards. Like I said, I really don't know what I'm looking for. I know that a Charizard is the one that's worth a lot of money. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm not gonna open the rest of these. Let me hop into my MacBook and let's see if we actually won something, right? So this is how you check to see if your card actually has value. So what you want to do, you want to go to this website called maven.io. And what you want to do, you take the card. So we're going to take this card, for example. And then you type in the name of the card. And then in the bottom right corner, there's actually like a ratio. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. There's a number right there. You want to type those numbers in. If you can't see it, let's get close up here. There's numbers right here that you want to type in. So let's go ahead. So this one's going to be Linoon E. And it's going to be 036-073. This card is worth $9. $9. Okay? So then you put this one to the side. And let's see. Now I'm just picking random cards because like I said, don't know what the hell I'm looking for. So this one is a Nick Kit. And it's 046-073. This one's worth $7.69. Now, if I sit here and do this, we're going to be here all day. Also, there's a lot of cards here. I actually changed my mind. I want to unbox every single one, open every single one, and go through them and tally everything up. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a spreadsheet together, go through each one, put it in there, and see how much I made, how much I won, I guess, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Just got done going through every single one of these cards. There was 100 total cards in here. Made a spreadsheet. Used Maven to check the value of every single card. So let's hop right into the MacBook. Let's find out exactly how much I made from this quick little side hustle, this quick little cash grab. 100 cards total. Went through every single card. Total value of each card, all the cards added up, was $484.71. That's almost $500. My total investment was actually, it wasn't $50. It was including tax. It was $106.73. So let's just divide that into two. And it's actually 53.36. There we go. So after everything, I made $431 in profit on just this one box. I am going to open this box, but it took kind of a while to get this list done. It took way longer than I expected, so I'm not going to open this one on camera. I'm going to open it. I'm going to add it to the spreadsheet later, and I'll probably post it on Instagram, or I'll make a YouTube post to see to show you guys what the total value is. And I'm also going to drop the link to the spreadsheet down below so you guys can take a look at it if you want to. I don't really mind. But that's it for this video. Be sure to listen to the podcast and check out the podcast link. It's going to be the first link down below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and I'll see you guys next time.
Tryna turn that into something, one ain't no giving up. Hey, this ain't no heat, just gon' sing and make bitches feel good in the dark. Cause this is a public announcement, so listen and please don't ignore it. Hey, I Grind for my family, my niggas, my son, I put nothing before him. And I